Harium Valka Valamudan. And this video we are going to see 1.8 special cases of functions. Special cases of functions. There are some special cases of a function which will be very useful. We discuss some of them below. One is constant function, second one identity function, third one real valued function. First, let us see constant function. A function f from a to b is called a constant function if the range of f contains only one element, that is f of x is equal to c for all x belongs to a and for some fixed c belongs to b. Okay, that means one real life example for constant function means if you are studying 9th standard means the students and class teacher. So students are x. Okay, x belongs to this student set, and then the class teacher is only one class teacher. Okay, all the x values has the same image, only one image, that is constant. Okay, this is real life example for constant function. See the example using the numbers and alphabets. Illustration 16. A equal to, set A is equal to A comma B comma C D, and B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and F is equal to, F is a function relation, F is a function, it contains the elements A comma 3, ordered pair of A comma 3, B comma 3, C comma 3 and D comma 3. Okay, since f of x is equal to 3, here's function, so these are all the x values. So f, that means this is the f of x values. So f of x value is same value, that means 3. The 3 is a constant value, isn't it? So a, b, c, d are x values. So x belongs to, for every x belongs to a, f of x equal to 3. The range of f, so this is the range is only 3 here, isn't it? So range of f is equal to set of 3. F is a constant function. Okay, இப்போ f of x equal to, for all x belongs to a, all the elements belongs to the set a. Okay, so a comma b comma c comma d belongs to a, for some fixed c belongs to b. C is nothing but here 3. Okay, 3 belongs to b set. Here x belongs to a means a comma b comma c comma d belongs to a. Then f of x equal to c. F of x equal to f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to c is nothing but 3. Okay, then this function is a constant function. Next we see identity function. Yeah, the definition of identity function is, let A be a non-empty set. That means it contains at least one element in that set. Okay, then the set f from a to a, not a to b. Okay, same set. Okay, same set. Defined by f of x equal to x. That means this x is equal to x. Okay, f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to a is called an identity function on a and is denoted by identity function of the set a means I suffix a. Okay, on real life example, see what is your see your identity card. Which photo resembles your photo reflects in that identity card, isn't it? So if you are a set a means your identity card is also a, your photo image will be in this identity card, isn't it? So f of p is also same p value. Okay, see this example. Set A contains xyz elements, and set B is also the same elements. That means x image is x, y image is y, z image is z, not x to y, not y to x, not z to y. Okay, that is the different images. This is the same images, x to x, y to y, z to z. This is the identity function. Okay, then we are going to see the illustration 17. If a is equal to a comma b comma c, then f is equal to ia. That means identity function of a. The function is defined as a comma a, b comma b, c comma c. That means a comma a, b comma b, c comma c is an identity function on a. This is also an example for identity function. Okay, here x comma x, y comma y, and z comma a z is a function. Okay, in the ordered pair, x comma x, y comma y, z comma z, z comma z. Okay, next, thinking corner. E is an identity function, one-to-one function. See this example. It is a one-to-one. Different elements of A have different images in B, isn't it? So this is a one-to-one function. It satisfies one-to-one function condition. Therefore, identity function is also a one-to-one function. Okay, then third one, real valued function. Already we know the real numbers. Real numbers is nothing but minus infinity, comma, etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, etc. then plus infinity. This is the set of real numbers. Then fraction numbers is also included in the set of real numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together constitute a real number. Okay, now we are going to see real valued function, not a number, real valued function. So real valued function means we use set of real numbers. Set of real numbers is denoted by R. Okay, if see this definition. A function f from a to b is called a real valued function if the range of f is a subset of the set of all real numbers R. Okay, that means range is a subset of the set of all real numbers. Okay, overread this letter. Because the same letter we are using for a set of real numbers and range, so we have a confusion. That's why you use a bold letter for a set of real numbers. Set of real numbers, this is nothing but range. Okay, so subset. Range of f is a subset of the set of all real numbers. That is, f of a is f of a is a subset of the set of real numbers for every a belongs to that range R. Okay, a belongs to not a R, a belongs to the domain set capital A. That means C, A, B, this is the function. Okay, then A is an element of this set. It has the image f of a. This f of a is the subset of set of real numbers, and this is the range. F of a is a range. This range is a subset of set of real numbers. Okay, then this function f is called real valued function. Okay, next, progress check, true or false. You read all the 7 elements. If you understand the above concepts, means you can easily answer the following 7 questions. Okay, you will do the progress check. Okay, before that you will do the activities using the horizontal. Already we have seen the vertical line test and horizontal line test, and also check the functions are one-to-one or not. Okay, activity 3, you will do activity 3 and progress check also. Thank you.